Trump cannot use Ivanka to wriggle out of the Manhattan fraud final verdict. Questions are being raised about whether Donald Trump can avoid having his business shut down in addition to the significant financial penalties he is expected to face, since Judge Arthur Engoron is scheduled to impose financial penalties against him and his Trump Organization in January. In a previous ruling, Engoron found the Trump Organization guilty of financial fraud. Now, he must decide how much of a penalty to impose in the $250 million lawsuit that New York Attorney General Letitia James filed. When asked if the former president could wriggle out of the final decision and related fines by, say, giving all of his assets to his daughter Ivanka Trump, who wasn't involved in the lawsuit, John Moscow, a former Manhattan financial crimes prosecutor, shot down the idea. Moscow first said he can try to claim he was deprived of his property without his constitutional right to due process. In an interview with Business Insider, "You've had 3 years of legal process," will be the response, and it's bullshit, the speaker continued. However, they'll give it a shot. It is also not in the cards to redistribute the assets. Couldn't Trump wriggle out of all this by merely moving Trump Organization headquarters out of New York, changing some LLC names, or transferring everything to, say, Ivanka Trump? Trump tried some name-game funny business early on, claiming in court documents a year ago that the Trump Organization can't be sued because technically that's just branding shorthand and not a legal entity, was the response given to Business Insider when they inquired. Engoron disregarded the contention. Engoron quickly ordered Trump to alert the court-imposed monitor about any corporate restructuring, disposition or dissipation of any significant assets, as the Attorney General's office had already expressed concerns about precisely such a move. Further oversight required that Trump provide the monitor with a 30-day notice of any anticipated restructuring, or any plans for disposing, refinancing, or dissipating any significant Trump Organization assets, according to Business Insider. Alternatively, Trump will have to provide a sworn statement every month certifying that no such activity has occurred.